So from Gemini, yes. Can you unfold it, please? So it's like I saw this 20 years ago in the Nokia communicator.
Yes,
this kind of. So this is modern. We have MediaTek X27 here, 10 cores. The screen is an AMOLED.
It's sure this one is. I'm not sure if it's AMOLED. I'm not sure about that.
Okay, it's running on Android. What kind of Android? Let's see.
811.
811, very nice.
It doesn't say actually. So the display.
Okay.
This is the display.
So on the new model we've got 6 gigs of RAM, a 24 megapixel camera, probably from Sony, the sensor. Sony makes the 24 megapixels, and the keyboard layouts international. You can set
30 layouts available right here.
Yes. Oh, very nice. You can deliver with different layouts.
Yes, of course.
Very
When you purchase it, you decide on the layout, we put it in.
Okay. And what's your market? Where do you sell it?
Most of the customers are in Japan, and then the States, UK, and Germany.
Okay. So it's very responsive. The touchscreen, the keyboard is very responsive. You can feel every single taste. Very nice. What's about 350 grams?
Yeah, 300 grams, I think. 308.
It's not very big. It's nice. It's a metallic case. Very nice. Okay. What's the price of retail?
$600, $599.
$600. Okay.